Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about to be in present tense and the usage. There are three kinds of to be in simple present. There are am, is, and are. We use am for I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. We used to be after subject and then plus to be itself and noun, adjective, and adverb. Now let's talk about the first item, subject plus to be plus noun. I am a teacher. You are a student. He is a doctor. She is a nurse. It is a book. We are boys. They are girls. Well, now the second item, subject plus to be plus adjective. I'm very well. You are very well. He is fine. She is fine. It is fine. We are very well. They are very well. Well, what about subject plus to be plus adverb? Adverb of time and adverb of place. I'm here. You are in London. He is in France. She is there. It is here. You are over there. They are here. Okay? There, the use of to be in present tense. There are three kinds of to be. Am, is, and are. Alright? I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.